a weird food combination that you ever eat. Curry aki. Curry aki and mackerel. But I'm going to tell you that. Don't have to ask for cousin Kelly. Guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Tara, and judging by the thumbnail and the title, you don't know how to go on. Me, I got answer 20 questions, or maybe 21. Yeah, this is 20 questions nobody asked me, so you want to know. I go up on Google, I'm going to type in questions nobody asked. 20 questions nobody asked, and some questions pop up. Write them down because you don't know some other phone mash up. So I have them in a one book right here. So this is my YouTube book, as you will all know if you're new to my channel. So I'm ready to question them in the book here. I can read them out and answer them phone. You see me? So before we get into this video, I would like you to go over to my IG page and follow me at Bianca_everbless. I want to go over TikTok. I want to follow me at Bianca Entertainment. And you don't know, say, you must like, subscribe, and share. You check. You understand? Chop, chop, chop. Just do it! So, guys, before we get into the questions, I want to show you me I drink. I drink one something name over the moon, but it's kind of tough now. I don't know if I throw the moon or I don't know how I'm going. But it name over the moon. It tastes really, really good. So you can get you one of these. It's not a paid promotion, guys, but just like the drink, I'm buy it down at my bar. So over the moon it is. Alright, so let's get into the video. So the first question is, where did you grow up? No, I don't start watching me grow up. I'm not talking about I grew up at watching. Yeah, I'm still a grower. Yeah, me on the channel still a grower. Anyway, number 2 question is, what is the earliest memory you ever have? What is the earliest memory you ever have? Oh yes, remember one time you had 2 and Gilbert got blow like about 1988, and but I had to do here. I tell my mother, and not tell my mother, just everything I blow down and everything I blow away. I remember them blow hold on and the pan, no Gilbert can blow away, no Gilbert can blow me, and the door slammed my finger. I was 2 years old and I can't forget that. The door slammed my finger and the breeze come through the back door and it set me up and lift me up and carry me going on and pull out water. I never remember that part, but mother told me that part. I say, and one time I come for you out of the pool of water, you say, Mommy, me swim. Can you believe that? You guys. Anyway, the next question is, what would you do if you win the lottery? First, I'm gonna buy mother house. I'm gonna buy mother house. I mean, if me need to get me a house. I mean, I get Rudy a house too. So I need to buy 3 houses. But Rudy, this is what I live with me. Maybe we could get a house big enough for me and Rudy. Yeah, so would I get some house and some cars and make sure everybody alright? Is me? Yeah. Number 4 question is, would you rather have a flying reindeer or a unicorn? Would I rather a unicorn? Unicorn over flying reindeer. Yeah. Would I rather want unicorn? Do you need to be tucked in at night to sleep, or you can drop asleep anyway? Well, like me, you know get up people from get up parents. You see nobody, I get out tuck in nobody. You better go sleep. You just drop. You see how the parents we talked about this yesterday, if money can talk, when your parents them want to go do what they want to do, go your bed and you better sleep. I mean then come round you go see you not sleep. Tuck in home. We're not used to tuck in. So anyway, sleep go, we have to sleep, you see me? Yeah, we're not used to that. We're not used to tuck in at all. So we can't sleep anyway. Because we're not used to it. If you had to wear an item forever, what would it be? A brassiere. I love brassiere. But I'm gonna wear without my brassiere. My best friend can tell you, I ain't going nowhere without my bra. If you had to kiss or marry or kill a YouTuber, who would it be? If me pick one YouTuber, right? One would I kiss, marry or kill? Alright. But I will kill nobody fit me, so we go pass. Me not go kill him, I will pass him. So me road is so easy. King and Klein. Incline. Everybody know Incline, right? So more than pass Incline, not that I have done over Incline, because him nice and everything and him music bad and him brought them bad and him having girlfriend and all of that. All of them having girlfriend, but I'm past Klein. Not that I have nothing against Klein, I like him. But more than past Klein, but the King wanna go troops, she ain't about a cuss. It's just a video. So more than troops King. I like King, you know, I just love his vibe, you know, and him down to earth, you know. So but like King I look at troops. But Rolly, I feel good. But Trish Osh, because I know my fault. Him cute, him nice, him body nice. Girls I like him. So just if you see this, don't now bother come for me, just don't say your man not good. Me I got married Rolly. Me. I got married him before Trish. Anyway, the next question is, what would you have done to make today more productive? Right now today I Saturday and them not done the place 12 o'clock. So me have to leave work like what would I do now to make today more productive, more than lift the curfew. The 12 o'clock curfew more than just lift it. And the day would be productive for not only me but everybody. You see me? Yeah. Which cartoon do you still watch? When I watch no cartoon, I just stop watch cartoon. Which song do you not know the lyrics to, but you still sing it? Now I feel like my voice is mother. Together with me, skinny so that I carry the hammer. With me. Yeah, I can sing that song there. I don't know the whole I words to it, but in time to play, it come like a me write it. You don't know. I just know the first part, like I feel like my boy go, you know. So that's the song. I don't know the lyrics to, but I always I sing it. If you could have one talent, what would it be? Swimming. What would you rather? Would you rather the world go peaceful, or would you rather no one goes hungry forever? I rather no one goes hungry forever, because in my views, if people don't hungry the way them hungry now today, them would all go out to rob people, and you know, I do a sort of something to get money, feed them family, understand? Some would rather nobody not hungry, and maybe that would have make the world peaceful. I don't know. But you don't at least cut down some of the crime rate, you know? Yeah. Would I rather nobody not hungry? A weird food combination that you ever eat. Curry aki. Curry aki and mackerel. But I'm going to tell you that. Don't have to ask for cousin Kedish. Yeah. You can find her at Kedish _ Ellis pan IG. She cooked that one. If you had to choose never to use Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, which one would you rather? But them really ask this? First thing, I have a Twitter account. Instagram, I barely go on Instagram. Barely. But YouTube, if I go on YouTube one day, I'm like, I'm gonna die. Like, it's like the day that I work. You understand me? I have to go on YouTube. I have to go check out my channel. I have to know my video them are going on. I don't know. Say, I have to watch other videos, you know? I support other YouTubers, not only support, but I watch other videos I like with other YouTubers that I love, including the people that want me to call. Yeah. So, fling my Instagram, fling my Twitter. I don't even know how Twitter go. But YouTube, I'm after that for you. I'm after that for you. Yeah. So, a YouTube more than pick. The other question is, what language do you speak? English and English only. What country do you wish you were born in? Push me the difference. Call him say a French spelling did have my name, so a French me should have born. I think we should have born a French because my name a French, in a French spelling and it's a French name. So why do I have a French name and I'm a Jamaican? Well, that really answer the question. So I wish me the born England. Yeah, I wish me the born England. Seriously. Yeah, I wish me the born England. If you have a time machine, would you rather go back in time or would you rather go into the future? But I rather go back in time because I don't know what the future was, you know what, but I say back them time that nice. But I know, but I don't know with this lockdown and all this COVID that go on and them say more virus will come out and all them stuff, but them don't know what the future go hold. But know say back round of them days around back of them days them days I did nice. Yeah, them days I did nice. So I wouldn't rather go back in time. Because right now, to hear the world around me, don't know what the future brings. So what time is your usual bedtime? Look here now, I don't usually have no bedtime because I don't usually sleep at night. I don't know. It's like allergic for me if I sleep, so I don't really sleep at night. So I sleep anytime. I don't really have a bedtime. Understand? What day do you remember to be the worst day of your life? The day when I get them to me. If you don't notice, I have one cut on my face, I have one on my belly, I have one on my hand right here. So, I don't really like talk about it because every time I talk about it, I feel like I cry. And I don't like the memory. And then my memory I always have a very bad one. Yes, so. And I think question what I know, and we only reach like 30 minutes of the video. What is something silly you believed as a child? Silly me believe as a child is when me and swim, I always feel like the shark the right so. Me always feel something in the water, the right of my foot. And I still believe it. Like anytime I swim, I just feel like something. I always am paranoid when I swim. So I always believe as a child, say something at the water when I swim, I still believe it. 20th question is, would you want to be remembered when you die? Yes, I would like to be remembered. Like, oh no, nobody remember them when they dead. Who want to remember me all 10 years, 15, 20 years after? I want to still talk about Bianca Entertainment and me, Tyra. Yeah. Yes. Me want to remember me there. Yes. What is the name of the last movie you watched? Salt. Watch Salt already, but watch it again and it just feel like the first time I watch it, I like it. Salt. So I should try what that movie is. What would you say you have English brain or a math brain? Definitely English. Me never like maths. Me still not like it. So I would say I have an English brain. So that is the end of my question. That is what 22 questions. And we should have some more because the video just come like it again fun to me. But sadly we have to wrap up it up now because the question is finished. So if you make it to the end of this video, like if you reach right so, like if you reach so in the video, I'm gonna make a type now. If you make it to the end of this video, please type my YouTube book. Reach right aside the video, type my YouTube book. Yes, right as soon. So I know say wanna watch the video from start to end, alright? I'm gonna support me. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video. And please follow all my social accounts. They will be down in my description below. Have a nice day guys. Love you all. Bye.